So this is the Intex inflatable bouncer. So this is for the ages 3 to 6, but my son is 8 years old. So but I'm gonna let him mess with it just for fun. So we're gonna unbox this inflatable bouncer and then we're gonna inflate it. Alright, let's go. So I will lay them down flat and we're gonna spread them out. Okay, so it'll be easy when we put air on it. So do you want to hear the bad news? So this thing didn't came with inflatable device on it. So I got one at home. It's the Intex quick fill. Alright, there's like 3 different nozzle on it. And then we're gonna put this bad boy to work. We're gonna plug him in. Alright, and then we're gonna look for all the places where we can inflate it. I think there's 4 of them. So this is the first one. Let's inflate them. Then we're gonna walk it all the way around. There should be 4 of them. So this is the second one, so just walk it all the way around. As you can see right here, it is start to come into life. It start to raise up. So we are on the 3rd inflatable hose. Alright, let's get it on. So this is the big one, okay? The main one, the one that blows everything up. The bottom, everything. Alright, so guys, this inflatable bouncer takes a while to get inflated. As you can see, it took me a while. I'm just editing this video to make it short. That's what it looks like. My son's in it and he's gonna do some stunts. Watch it.